Hi, my name is Harry from Luxury Time Cape Town. At Luxury Time, we have our own in-house service centre and watchmakers that have undergone training in Italy and Switzerland. To make sure we get the best result out of your service or repair, we make sure we stay current with the latest technology and the highest standards of equipment. For general service or repair, you can make an appointment with us at our Gauteng or Cape Town offices or contact us via our website. We've got a fully insured collection service all over South Africa that can collect your watch from you and deliver it after it's been serviced. Luxury Time is still South Africa's most trusted place to buy, sell, trade or service your watch. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and remember, time is a luxury, invest in it. Today I'm wearing a Panerai Lumina Marina.